Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Today we will learn how to make shopping e-commerce website easily without any programming knowledge. First of all, you need to buy one domain and hosting from below link. Link is given in the description. Click the and purchase one domain and hosting before start. After purchase domain and hosting, you will get cPanel username and password. Now log in your cPanel by typing your username and password. Find out File Manager and click File Manager. Click public_HTML and go to your domain folder. I am using my subdomain for making this website. So this is my subdomain. Now I am going to upload my website file. Click Upload, then click the Select File and upload your website files from your computer. You will get the website file download link in my video description. Right-click on your uploaded file and click the Extract the zip file. Now go to your cPanel, find out MySQL database. Click MySQL database. Type your database name and click Create Database for creating your website database. After creating your database, the database name will show here. Now create your website database username and password. You can set your password manually or you can set your password by clicking Password Generator. Copy your password and take it to Notepad. Click this box and click Use Password. And then click Create User. Now add your user to the database, select your database user and the database name, then click Add. Now click this box to select all privileges. And click Make Changes. My database is now ready. Copy your database name and user, save it to Notepad. Now I am going to upload my database file. Click phpMyadmin. Click your database name. Then click Import to upload the website database from computer. Choose the database file from your computer, then click Go. Now go back to your website file folder, which I have extracted before. Right-click on config.php and click Edit. Change the web server and database info, HTTP, dir, db. Change your database name, database username, and password. Now change the website link. Copy the file location directory from the top left the side and paste it all dir area. Click Save. Now go to Admin folder. Right-click on config.php and click Edit. Change the web server and database info, HTTP, dir, db, as like the same way. All work is done. Now your website is ready. To log in, your website admin panel type /admin after your domain. Type your username and password, your default username and is admin. Please go to the system then users for change your details and default password. You can change everything from your admin panel. Also, you can start and manage your e-commerce business from this panel. If there any problem then drop your question in the video description. We will help you to start your e-commerce business.